Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video episode number 7, we are diving into step by step about how online reviews influence local SEO. So let's start. How online reviews influence local SEO. First question is, why do reviews matter for local SEO? Let's start with why reviews are so important for local SEO. Reviews are one of the key factors that search engines like Google use to rank business locally. When customers leave positive reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp, it signals to search engines that your business is trusted and relevant to local search queries. Next question is, how do reviews impact local rankings? Here's how reviews directly affect your rankings. Number one, relevance. When you get reviews that mention your business name and local keywords like plumber in Dhaka, it helps Google understand that your business is connected to that area. Number two is trust. Positive reviews build trust with both customers and search engines. Google tends to rank businesses with better reviews higher because they are considered more reliable. Number three is engagement. The more reviews you have, the more Google sees your business as active and engaged with customers, which can improve your local search rankings. So the next question is, how to get more reviews, how to get more positive reviews. Now that we know why reviews matter, let's look at some effective strategies for getting more positive reviews to the platform that matter. Number one, claim and optimize your Google business profile. Number two is encourage reviews from happy customers. Number three, respond to reviews, both positive and negative. Number four, ask for reviews on other platforms, Yelp, Facebook, etc. Number five is make it easy for customers to leave reviews. So we are explaining this all these things step by step. Now we are explaining number one, claim and optimize your Google business profile. The first step to getting reviews to make sure your Google business profile is claimed and optimized. This is where most customers will leave reviews for your business. Once you have claimed your profile, make sure it's fully optimized with accurate business details, your name, address, phone number, business hours, and photos. Then ask satisfied customers to leave reviews directly on your Google business profile. You can even share a direct link to your review page to make it easier for them. Number two is encourage reviews from happy customers. One of the best ways to get more positive reviews is simply by asking your happy customers. If you are provided great services or a positive experience, most customers are willing to leave a review. You can encourage reviews by asking for them after a successful service, or even offering an incentive like a discount on their next visit or for leaving a review. Number three is respond to reviews, both positive and negative. Another important strategy is responding to reviews, both the good ones and the not so good ones. By responding to reviews, you show that you care about customer feedback and are engaged with your audience. This can encourage more people to leave reviews in the future. If you get a negative review, don't panic. Respond politic, politely and professionally, addressing the issue and offering to resolve it. This shows that you care about your customers' concerns. Number four is ask for reviews on other platforms like Yelp, Facebook, etc. Yellow pages. Uh, while Google reviews are most important, don't forget about other platforms like Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow pages. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on these platforms as well. The most reviews you have across different platforms, the more likely you are to show up in search results. Number 5, make it easy for customers to leave reviews. Make it as easy as possible for your customers to leave reviews. Positive them, provide them with links directly to your review page, either in emails on or on your website. You can even send follow-up messages thanking them for their business and providing a direct link to your review page. So finally, the recap is here. Let's recap how reviews influence your local SEO rankings and the strategies to get more them. Impact on our impact on rankings. Positive reviews help increase relevance, trust, and engagement for your business, improving your local search rankings. Getting more reviews encourages customers to leave reviews, respond to all reviews, and ask for reviews on multiple uh, platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Final tips. A quick tip, don't buy fake reviews. Google and other platforms can penalize businesses for this, and it's not worth risking your reputation. Focus on getting honest feedback from real customers. That's it for today's episode. Now you understand how online reviews impact your local SEO and how you can get more positive reviews to improve your ranking. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your local visibility grow. Thanks for watching.